yourself, your future's incredible. Want to be straight, yeah, want to be full.